Close.
Hey everyone, I'm Cameron Johnson and welcome back to CJ Race Cars YouTube channel. The guys have been getting it in the shop this week, getting a bunch of stuff done. Danny and Eddie have been working on the Scion. Jesse's working on one of the F-bodies. We got two F-bodies going right now. Both LS's. One's naturally aspirated Frankenstein deal and the other one's a turbo car. So both those are pretty cool. I'll show you what they're doing on those right now. And I'll also show you, Troy's working on the Minion this week. He started on the Minion. That thing's getting a bunch of updates, and that's a really cool car, and a lot of people know that car. It was one of the fastest stick shift cars for a long time, and he actually drove it on the street. So that's a pretty cool deal. I'll show you that. And also, I really appreciate you guys that have been buying all the t-shirts, buying all the parts. We're super busy trying to get all the parts and t-shirts to you guys. So thanks again for that. And let me show you what we got going on out here. Almost? Danny, show them these t-shirts, Danny. And show them, let's model these t-shirts a little bit. Look at that. Oh yeah. CJ Race Cars t-shirts, back in stock. We got a bunch going out already. If you guys haven't got one, go to cjracecars.com and get one. Let's see the front of that thing, Danny. The front, let's see the front. Oh yeah, there it is. These are nice. I like these shirts. Do a little muscle, a little muscles.
No, ain't no muscle.
One time, flex.
Muscle's gone.
Do it one time.
No, too many people would love that. I might be old, but I'm wise.
Isaiah won't even wear one of the t-shirts. He was embarrassed. He said some girl's on here watching, and he's got to look right. He can't be messing around on here. Is that right?
No.
Go back to school next year, should be clowning on here or what?
Probably.
That's messed up, man. It's cool to work in a race car shop, man. The girls probably don't like it nowadays. They want you to play video games or something like cool like that, huh? Yeah, that's all right. So one day you can grow up and be just like Jesse over here, grinding and welding, and in a seriously committed relationship.
Yeah, I hear you.
Troy, what do you got going on?
You told me I had to fill out hours.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
But I don't know what hours. When did I start?
I don't know. I didn't pay that much attention. Man, Troy's got all kinds of stuff cut out over here.
Well, yeah. It's a weight reduction program.
Weight reduction program?
Yeah.
Troy's working on the Minion.
Minion.
What you got going on? Tell them a little bit of what we got going on.
Honestly, don't know.
Stop it, Troy.
I have to modify the frames. We gotta have some frame coming out, some cross member.
Yeah, usually the stock deal comes out to about here.
It's gonna be
usually
stock-ish.
Stock-ish. Where's them pieces at? Oh, right here. Look, I'll show them.
I don't think it'll go in there yet.
No, not yet. You gotta cut that inner piece out.
Yeah.
There. But then we have this. It's a lot more structural, and it looks better. All this stuff that's pinch welded together and stuff is not very strong. So we use this, and then these holes line up like a stock K-member style deal. Obviously, this does not have a stock K-member. But he's gonna make a plate that goes here. We'll run some tubes down for supports. He's gonna end up putting the tops back on. Right now it doesn't have the tops. What do you got going on inside there, Troy?
I'm in the process of building a receiver for a transmission cover / tranny tunnel.
Tranny tunnel, titanium tranny tunnel.
Okay.
Right? More than likely 2 pieces.
Oh yeah, for sure.
They'll have receiver lips on the side.
He said lips.
Lips, right?
Yeah, that's what I gotta do is try and take this.
Yeah, gotta make that somewhat of a normal shape.
More, yeah.
And then it'll have some type of like a flat top and
yeah, it'll be a steel receiver for whatever material we use. Probably titanium for the tunnel.
Yeah. So you could use aluminum or steel. We're gonna use titanium because it's light, but it's still strong. If something ever did come apart, it would help a little more than aluminum.
Yeah.
Aluminum's a lot softer, so definitely if we do it either out of steel or titanium probably would be the 2 that we would use. Especially this being a stick shift car. So
yeah, the titanium definitely holds up a lot better to missiles.
Yeah, for sure.
When things go bad.
Yeah, it's pretty durable. Yeah.
And
Unfortunately, they go bad, right?
Yeah.
So the receiver lip's gonna be somewhere. It'll be along here once we get the shape cut. And it'll be along the side back to there. And then it'll be similar to the back, but it won't be it'll be a smaller shape, right? Like a...
Yeah, well, there was some existing pieces come around the side.
Let's see what you got.
There was kind of this. Oh, that's one of the panels. There was kind of this going on.
Right.
But by the time I try to
fix that.
Yeah, it's just quicker and simpler. Just
to make a nice new piece that goes with the new shape.
And I'm not quite sure where I'm going to be now. I'm limited on space here because I got the go pedal.
Right.
So I can't come over. I got to have a decent plane coming over.
Right.
Yeah. Basically, it's just getting all this old stuff out of here.
Yeah, trimming stuff up and preparing to start the job is sometimes the hardest part of the job. So.
Yeah, that's why it's always so much easier to build these cars once all the way.
Yeah.
Then I'll never go faster than 850. Well, yeah, you will.
Yeah.
Well, now I need a funny car cage, so you got to add that. It's a lot more money to build a car once and then work into it speed-wise.
I try to tell everybody that. Think about really hard what you're going to do in the future.
And I understand I only have so much money.
Yeah.
Well, maybe you should save a little more money because at the end of the day, everybody's going to want to go faster.
Yeah.
And it's so much easier to build a car once.
Well, and it costs more to do it twice. Because you can't just add it. The car's designed for what it's designed for. Right. Yep.
So, you know, oh, I want an 850 cage. Oh, now I need mini tub.
Yeah.
Oh, now,
yeah.
You know, I'm going 8 flat. I need a funny car cage.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when this car originally came here a long time ago, it had a 10-point. We cut the whole cage out. We did this cage, and now we're redoing the tunnel and a few things in the front end, different turbo kit, headers.
But at the end of the day, when you redid the cage, that's all solid.
Yeah.
None of that's being added to or modified to go faster.
Right.
He's basically upgrading the car to be more lightweight.
Exactly.
He's doing additions in that respect.
Right.
So we're not cutting bars or adding bars. All that's already been done. And like you said, you cut the 850 cage out and put the good cage in, including all the floor bars and all of that. It's a lot of work to do it once, but at the end of the day, it's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, I agree. I think that's the biggest thing a lot of people do. They say, oh, I'll never do this, I'll never do that, and then they want to do it, and you end up having to cut some of the stuff out to start over. And
well, going racing's expensive to begin with.
Yeah, that's why I don't race, because I can't afford it.
You know, you and me both.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, I mean, your capital investment's a big deal.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
But spending a little more money and have a car that's capable of being upgraded power-wise down the road, I mean, the benefits are phenomenal because the car's already there.
Yeah.
All you're adding is more motor.
A lot of people know this car.
This car is very cool.
Yeah, it was one of the fastest stick-shift cars for a long time.
Yep.
I give you Andrew a hard time because that Super came in and did good, but this thing's fast. I think it'll be faster now.
Yep.
They get it back out. We change some stuff.
Continue its reputation.
Oh yeah, yeah, and he does good. He's an all right driver. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
he does all right. So, but
put him up against any stick shift.
Oh yeah, he does good. He does good. I just like to give him a hard time.
We do give him a hard time.
But
that's part of the thing.
Oh yeah.
If we didn't like you, you'd know it because we wouldn't even.
For sure.
Give you the time of day.
Exactly. So Troy will be doing a bunch of stuff on this thing.
Yeah, you can forward my all my mail to
his fan
Minion.
Mail? To Minion, yeah. Send Andrew all the fan mail.
Under the Minion.
Yep. Send it under here. Yeah, his mailbox.
For a couple
it's funny
days.
They said his mailbox was underneath the Monte Carlo, and he was all excited because his mailbox wasn't under the Monte Carlo anymore, but it's actually in the same area. So his house is still in the same place. It just got a different house. All right, Troy. Well, we'll catch back up with you in a few days on some updates.
Unless I see you coming, and I'll dive out of the way.
Friday, we'll catch up. I'll give you 2 days.
You promise?
Yeah, I promise.
Really?
Come back over here for some updates.
No.
Troy should have this thing pretty much ready to go to Testington in 2 days, right?
I thought I was going to SEMA Friday.
Cool. Well, we're gonna test them too, and
Going
then
to SEMA Friday.
after testing too.
That's the deadline, SEMA.
Yeah, and today's Wednesday night.
We gotta go to a car show.
And it's Wednesday night now, so you got.
Oh, it's Wednesday?
You got 2 days.
What happened to Tuesday?
Well,
Tuesday's gone.
Troy.
Eh.
Yeah, that's bad. That's your extracurricular activities got you forgetting what day it is. Just kidding.
I don't know what that is.
So, all right, Troy. Sign out.
All right, Cameron.
Troy's signing out. How do you sign out?
I don't know.
You don't know? Just leave? It's an awkward break right here.
Drive reckless, take chances.
See, there you go. That was good. All right, watch. You ready? Here we go.
Shiny side up.
Always. It's weird. Is he on the phone or is he not on the phone? That's the question right now.
I'm not on the phone.
You're not on the phone? We should have people vote in the comments. Do you think Jesse's on the phone or do you think Jesse's off the phone? And then see who was right.
Oh, yeah?
But you already told him the answer. You weren't on the phone?
I'm not on the phone.
All right. Got this thing stripped down. Really, really stripped down. Got the front end cut off. Got it all cleaned up. Jesse's doing a good job. Jesse always does a pretty decent job.
Yeah.
Decent usually at best, right?
Halfway decent?
Decent, yeah. We got 2 of these cars. We're doing pretty similar. This one will have a 10-point chromoly cage. He brought a rock solid. I think it's a rock solid front end. They brought that. Got a bunch of Midwest chassis, parts for it, rear end, and stuff. So this thing will be pretty cool. Little LS deal.
Yeah. Turbo.
Think it'll be as fast as a smart car?
As fast as a smart car?
Yeah. The smart car we're building.
No.
What you got going on today, Troy? Huh?
Today's not today.
What's wrong? Bad day? Bad day today?
I mean, I should have done it before, but
Don't feel like it.
Corey's one of like 3 millionaires I know. He's pretty much retired. Young age, he learned how to make money without doing much labor.
Yeah, cryptocurrency. It's really turning around for me.
Remember when you did that?
Yeah, I'm still doing it right now.
Are you?
Yeah, it feels great. Riding it down the swing.
Tell him how much you made on crypto. Are you really? Oh, you did buy some again, didn't you?
Yeah.
How much you make?
So far about 50% down.
You buy high, sell low?
Yeah, I'm holding.
Or buy high and sell when it goes out of business? Didn't you do that one time too?
10-year plan.
Didn't you do that with a stock one time? You bought it and it went out of business?
Yeah, I was on the boat. I forgot to sell.
Oh man. Jesse, did you hear that? One time Corey was heavy into the stock market back in the day, about a year ago. And he bought a stock, went out on his boat, and the company went out of business while he was on the boat. Oh man.
I forgot the 930, hit the button and went down the tubes. A lot of beer drink that day.
A lot of beer drink that day? Oh man. That's bad.